G'day guys, what's cracking? 2Aussie here again. Well today, believe it or not, I'm going to make another pizza. You're probably getting sick of my pizzas by now. But anyway, this is one I haven't made for quite a while. It's a Meatlovers pizza with a tomato base. So what I'm going to do is make the tomato base up from tomato paste, water it down a little bit like I've done in a previous video. But when I spread it on the base, I'm going to put a little bit of oregano and basil, like sprinkle it on, dried oregano and basil. So I'll show you all the ingredients and then I'll do a little time lapse of putting it together so it doesn't drag out too long. And we'll do the taste test at the end and I'm sure it'll be fantastic. So I've got all my ingredients here. We've got a shitload of meat. So we got Cabanossi, pepperoni, what's it called, salami, bit of bacon, and some bolognese mince beef that I've made from the spaghetti, so I kept a little bit of that, and that's good to put on there, gives it a nice little flavour. Pizza cheese, tomato paste, bit of garlic, oregano, basil dried, and a cup to mix up the sauce in. And over here we've got our Aldi pizza base, and you know how much I love Aldi, so that's my pizza base from Aldi. Couldn't be bothered making up myself, these are pretty good. So anyway guys, what I'll do first is make up the sauce and show you how that's going, and then we'll make up the pizza and whack it in the oven. So what I like to do here for the sauce, a bit of tomato paste. I'll probably use all of this. And if it's too much, well, it won't be that much, so it should be alright. But what I'll do is put a little bit of water in it. Otherwise it's very strong just having tomato paste like that. Just water it down a bit, then it becomes like a puree. And I'll put probably a teaspoon of sugar, and about the same amount of garlic. Garlic will give it a nice flavour, bring out all the taste. Mix all that together. Just mix it all up into a paste. And then once that's all how you want it, bit of sugar, a bit of garlic, when I spread it on the pizza base, then I'm going to get the basil and oregano dried leaves and just put some over the base, and that'll make a really nice tomato base for the Meatlovers pizza. So what I'll do now guys, I'll do a bit of time lapse and I'll put it all together and then we'll whack it in the oven. So that's the pizza ready to go. Should be a real beauty, this one. Little ripper. So I'll whack it in the oven, give it about 15-20 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. Should be a beauty, this one. I'm so starving, I can't wait to eat it. This is it guys, pizza's done. Beautiful Meatlovers with tomato base. So we'll cut it up and dig in. Can't wait to eat this. This is probably about my favourite pizza. I probably shouldn't eat so much meat, but it is quite good. And if you want, you can actually add ham to this as well. I know this is a lot of meat, but some people add ham to Meatlovers as well. I just didn't have any at the time. So we'll do the taste test, but I'm sure it's going to taste fantastic. Well guys, there it is. Probably the best pizza I'm ever going to make. It's a bloody ripper, this one. So let's give it a taste. Thumbs up. Amazing. The salami and pepperoni are really giving it a bit of bite, like a little bit like a chili type taste, but still it's really nice. And having that tomato base, if you like barbecue and you don't mind tomato, give it a go, because it's actually a nice different little pizza. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to enjoy eating it, I know that much. So I didn't put too much cheese this time, because so you can see all the meat and everything on it. It looks a bit better. So guys, give that a go if you like pizza. And remember, you can never be too Aussie. And thanks for watching, and hooroo. Bye bye.